Hi everyone, my name is Anthony Nocentino, Enterprise Architect and founder of Centino Systems. Welcome to my course, Configuring and Managing Kubernetes Networking, Services, and Ingress. Are you a systems administrator or developer that needs to deploy workloads in Kubernetes clusters? If so, then this is the course for you. In this course, we'll start our journey with an introduction into Kubernetes networking fundamentals, where we'll learn how Kubernetes cluster networking works, both architecturally, and dive deep into pod, node, and cluster networking internals. And we'll also look at how cluster DNS works to provide name resolution services in our Kubernetes clusters. Next, we'll look at how to provide access to our cluster-based applications with services, looking closely at each of the core service types available in Kubernetes: cluster IP, node port, and load balancer, and how they build on each other to provide external access to services. And we'll also look at how we can use service discovery methods such as DNS and environment variables to find services available in our cluster. And finally, we'll look at how we can expose HTTP-based applications in our cluster to external users with Ingress. We'll explore the architecture and several different use cases such as TLS encryption, path-based routing, and name-based virtual hosts. By the end of this course, you'll have what it takes to implement and manage Kubernetes networking, services, and Ingress. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the Linux operating system and administering it at the command line. You should have a firm understanding of TCP/IP-based networking and also understand the fundamental concepts of containers. You will need to know the core foundations of Kubernetes, like what a cluster is and how to interact with your cluster at the command line, and also application constructs like deployments. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to configure and manage networking, services, and Ingress in your Kubernetes cluster in the course, Configuring and Managing Kubernetes Networking, Services, and Ingress here at Pluralsight.